I'm lucky this year. We have a great photo shoot coming up with Bryson. It is the Moy girls and Ivana and Riley. We're gonna go all out for this photo shoot. It's my first photo shoot for the year, and we're gonna be featuring colors galore, greenery. We have props, we have everything. So we're gonna be in all different locations. I'm excited for this one. Hopefully we'll be able to, get these pictures out and everywhere. It's gonna be so much fun. I can't wait.
Fa'aoto-oto itaununa ha'amawiwirahi itau whenua te imine yawi te here Aturo manei te rahi, whawhati te ai miti. O te metua, ia tupu I te hau I tau whenua.